Focus kami kay Superman.
Uy, vlogger oh! Kuya, vlogger ka?
Marami akong bala ngayon. Marami tayong aanin dyan ngayon na vlogger. Pero anyway guys, so ito na.
Vlogger?
Dito kami sa ano. Kuya, kaya vlogger ka?
Kuya, anong channel mo?
Kaya ito, distract.
Silipin natin yung ano, yung stage dun sa setup. Alright, logging in here sa Mall of Asia Music Hall. The t-shirt says it all. At kasama ko si Batman. Batman! Batman! Wrong t-shirt!
Mabihis ako, huwag ka mag-alala.
So we're here for the Superman in Manila. And we're going to see, meet and greet live David Cornsworth, James Gunn, Richard Brosnahan, at si David, ano? Si Nicholas Hoult. So, oo nga pala. Oo. Bad Max. So, mag-separate kami. Siya nasa media area ng Warner. Ako media area ni SM Cinema. Thank you SM Cinema.
Sa SF, thanks Warner.
Thank you SM Allpage. So, oh my God. So, ang haba na ng line. Oh my God, ito na yung mga line, no? So, paano to? So, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng line to, no? Kasi separate yung pila namin kay SM, eh. At maiksi lang naman pala yung line.
Pero baka hanggang doon na.
Hahaba na yan, oo. Check natin.
Super fans.
Hindi pa sila nagpapapasok. At lahat sila galing doon sa Pasig event sa Bridgetown. At I'm wearing the Funko Pop Superman. Me and a gazillion people are wearing this shirt maybe today. At si Batman.
Buti na lang, hindi kami parehas sa shirt. Hindi kami parehas sa susuotin.
So, ano, killer muna tayo?
Killer muna.
Killer muna, killer. At ang daming naka-Superman cape dito. Dito ko si... Sino to? Ano yun? Galing naman ang costume nito, oh. Grabe, oh. Costume ba? Lex Luthor.
General!
Daming mga Superman dito na may dalang cape, oh. Grabe. Sige, sige. So, mayroong pila dito. Wala lang for the media, regional and local media. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko pipila. Wala pa yung contact ko kay SM. So, antayin natin mamaya.
Kasi eto yung setup.
Hindi ko pa alam yung pwesto ko, pero...
Hindi namin alam po sa yung pwesto. Ang nahanap namin ngayon yung strategic na pwede kami makapagpasay.
Wala pa yung aking contact.
Ayan. So, ayan.
Alright, situation tayo no, sa Superman. Oh. Kasama kami yan. At we're waiting for ang automatic update. Logging in sa fan area, fan access. So wala tayong mapwestuhan. No? Hindi tayo napaaga eh. So ayan, yari tayo. Sana makapag-interaction tayo later. So natin kung baka may ibang area for the media. So hopefully, no, makakalipat tayo sa kabila. Here's the dilemma. I have a fan access pass at I have a media pass. So dalawa yung aking pass. Okay, problema to. Doon tayo sa media pa pwesto kasi mas maluwag. So ayun, yun lang yun. Alright, ito na.
Palit na ako,
Naka-media pass na kami, naka-Superman siyang
Hindi na ako si
outfit.
Batman ngayon.
At front row kami! Oh my God! Ang sana naman dito! Oh my God. So ito
Pero mas
na.
malapit kung influencer tayo, dito daw tayo sa gitna eh.
Ah, talaga?
Oo.
Seryoso? Yan, red carpet. Parang red carpet. Oh my God.
Influencer daw dito.
So, yung dalawang tubig ko na soler, tinapon ko na kasi bawal magpasok ng bottled water na may takip. So, walang takip. So, naglalakad di ako kayo, tatapon na yung tubig, tinapon. Nakita kami ni Jay.
Kita rin kami, Jay.
Oo.
Ano sabi ni Jay?
Ayun, Hero.
Ayun,
Ito, may kumakaway sa atin dito.
sino ka ba?
Malabo mata ko eh. Si Emmy ba to? Tingnan mo nga. Oh, yan.
Ano yun? Makaway.
Kasi MP! Si MP!
Si MP ba yun?
Si MP, sinumpo eh. Eh na kayo, si MP. Alright, we're in the front of the stage. Oh my God. Check it out, show. Na-hyper na ako. Pwesa na ako doon. Balik na ako sa press. Parang may orchestra eh. May orchestra. Baka Philharmonic yun. Higa! Galing. Galing. Si Chris, talagang ito yung pinakang nakakapag-interview ng mga superstars.
Ito yung mga tinutulak-tulak lang ni Anthony
tulak-tulak.
Mackie sa labas eh. Tsaka ni
Grabe,
Sebastian Stan.
wala lang yan eh. Oh. Parang
Ina-eject yung laptop niya
Pumapoto
eh.
bang blanco kina Anakin Skywalker. I see you. Galing.
Tayo?
Ito yung sling bag ni Chris. Nagiging upuan.
So yan.
Bibili ko niyan. Ay, grabe oh. Okay, thank you for the tip. Sling bag pa, may strap pa, nagiging upuan. Sige, pwede yan. Ito, isang design lang ba to? Ay, ba si Crypto? Wala bang Superman? Ha? Random? Eh, pipirmahan ni ano to? Aso?
Ayos lang. Walmart.
Ano ba naman yan?
Walmart mo na ganyan.
Ano ba naman to, random? So ito na yung aking papapipo namang poster. Thank you kay Chris Santada. Kasi nag-swap kami ng poster. Nakuha ko kasi yung poster na random eh, Crypto eh. So nakuha niya si Clark Kent. So palit na lang kami. Thank you. Woohoo! Superman! Grabe!
Prince, how close were you to our cast and creators earlier on in feet?
Like, I can touch them.
They
Almost touch them.
almost touched them, almost touched them. They're gonna be coming here later. Do you think you'll finally get to shake their hands?
So much restraint this morning, I won't hold back tonight.
You will, okay, you're gonna show your super talent. What is Prince, ladies and gentlemen? Hey, so it's Prince. And with action figures and the comics and everything, you know what? Okay, here we go. Hi, good evening. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Maxine from San Pablo.
Maxine from San Pablo. Hi, good evening. You have something in the back. What does it say? Are we allowed to show that? Wait, no, we can't show that. No, let's not show that one.
David! David, come here! David! Thank you so much! Thank you! Woo! Thank you. We got an autograph with David! Aftermath ng autograph signing with David Cornetred at Rachel Buxton. I'll see you on eBay! Wala eh. Ay! Kamusta? So wala tayong autograph kay James Gunn, ba't nakatapat natin siya?
Okay na, may footage.
Okay na rin din. Pwede na. Kasi, muna tayo ng IKEA para magpa-frame ng bagong poster.
Punta na ako ng CGI para ipag-frame.
Parang, I met my third Superman. Grabe. Stick. So, ito ang aming dilemma. just sitting here, relaxing, nag-start.
matatanda.
Oo. Dahil nagpapanel na sila doon sa Superman cast and director. So, anong plano next?
Basta, hindi pala pwede.
Mag-IMAX sila. Hindi pa pwede sabihin. Bawal ko sabihin. Bawal ko sabihin. Ako naman nagsabi. Eh ako, wala. Sa ano na ako. July 7 na ako manonood. Cut this na lang.
All right, on the count of three, we're gonna do it again.
All right, here we go. All right, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Manila!
Ladies and gentlemen, the Garrison Cleaners.
Hey, we're all here in Manila, and it's great.
Hey guys, we're here in Manila.
Hey, we're so excited to be here.
Oh my God, this is great. This is a great place to start our world tour in the Philippines with the wonderful people here, and we can't wait to come to your town next.
Excited to see you all tonight.
See you soon.
Hi, Manila. We are so excited to be kicking off our Superman tour here with all of you. We're excited to bring you the OG superhero.
And while we're here, we'd love to hear who are your superheroes? Who are the people in your lives and the organizations in your community who you feel are going above and beyond in making a difference?
Tag us on Instagram. Tag us in a story, in a post. We want to help amplify and share their work while we're here.
So let us know. We'll be on the lookout. See you soon.
See you soon.
So we are here sa IMAX. Wala akong ticket eh. Pero si Earl, check niya may ticket siya. Antayin ko siya sa Starbucks. So ito siya. Paano makakapasok yung mga tao?
We don't have to be greedy.
Hey guys, Azrael here. We're here in IKEA. Sa IKEA ako ngayon. Bibili tayo ng photo frame para ma-frame na natin itong poster na to. Baka ma-damage pa. I will add this as part of my collectibles. Sabi, puro macho yung masa wall natin. Henry Cavill, Chris Hemsworth, and now David Corenswet na may pirma ni Rachel Brosnahan. Right, we're here in IKEA. Yan. Imbis na kumain ako, mamimili na muna ako ng frame. Si Earl is watching in IMAX. Alright, ito na yung aking frame. Fisk bow. This is only 250 pesos. So laki ng mga poster ko sa bahay. So didikit ko siya sa gitna, naka-float siyang ganyan. And that's it. 250 pesos IKEA. And we are here. So it will be part of my collection. Ayan. Grabe. Thank you SM for the invite. Thank you SM Cinema and SM Mall of Asia. Superman is really here in Manila. Okay, bayaran ko na to. At i-frame na natin siya. Alright. And here's the final product. Naka-frame na yung aking poster na Superman signed by David Corenswet at Rachel Brosnahan. At display ko nito sa aking wall. Pag nga tayo ng pwesto, tabi-tabi sila ni Henry Cavill at ni Chris Hemsworth. Alright.